Our planet is full of wonders, some beautiful, some bizarre, and others almost unbelievable. Today, we take you on a journey to the most unusual places on Earth. Get ready to explore locations that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie. Number 1. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. Deep in the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan, there's a fiery pit known as the Door to Hell. This crater has been burning continuously for over 50 years. It was accidentally created in 1971 when geologists were drilling for gas. To prevent toxic gas leaks, they set it on fire, thinking it would burn out in a few days. Decades later, it's still burning. Number 2. The Blood Falls, Antarctica. In the middle of Antarctica, there's a waterfall that looks like it's bleeding. This strange phenomenon, known as blood falls, is caused by iron-rich water seeping from a buried saltwater lake. When the iron comes into contact with air, it oxidizes just like rust, giving the water its deep red color. It's a chilling sight in the frozen wasteland. Number 3. The Sailing Stones of Death Valley, USA. Imagine walking through a desert and seeing rocks that move on their own. In Death Valley, California, heavy stones glide across the dry lake bed, leaving trails behind them. For decades, no one knew why. Recently, scientists discovered that thin layers of ice form at night, and when they melt under the sun, the wind pushes the rocks forward, a natural mystery solved. Number 4. The Crooked Forest, Poland. In Poland, there's a forest that looks like something out of a fantasy novel. Hundreds of pine trees here have a mysterious bend at their base, creating a strange, crooked appearance. Some believe the trees were intentionally shaped by humans, while others think natural forces like heavy snowfall caused their odd growth. The real reason, still a mystery. Number 5. The Glowworm Caves, New Zealand. Deep in the caves of New Zealand, a magical sight awaits. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves are home to thousands of bioluminescent glowworms that light up the darkness like a starry sky. These tiny creatures use their glow to attract prey, creating one of the most breathtaking sights on Earth. Number 6. The Boiling River, Peru. Hidden in the Amazon rainforest, there's a river so hot that it boils. The Timpishka, or Boiling River, reaches temperatures of nearly 200 F93C. Local legends say it's sacred, but scientists discovered underground geothermal heat is the source. Either way, falling in here is definitely not an option. Number 7. The Rainbow Mountains, China. Show colorful mountain ridges, shifting hues of red, yellow, and green. Narrator. It looks like a painting, but it's real. The Rainbow Mountains of Zhangjiang Dangxiu in China are naturally formed from layers of mineral-rich sandstone over millions of years. Wind and rain have sculpted these colorful ridges, creating one of the most surreal landscapes on Earth. Number 8. Spotted Lake, Canada. In British Columbia, Canada, there's a lake that looks like it belongs on another planet. Spotted Lake is rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium, and sulfur. During the summer, the water evaporates, leaving behind strange, colorful pools. Indigenous people consider it sacred. and it's one of the most unique natural formations in the world. Number 9. Catatumbo lighting, Venezuela. Imagine a place where lightning strikes nearly every night of the year, over Venezuela's Catatumbo River. Intense electrical storms light up the sky for up to 10 hours a night. This phenomenon, known as Catatumbo lightning, is caused by a mix of warm, moist air and strong winds. It's so consistent that it's considered the most active lightning hotspot on Earth. Number 10. The Blue Lava Volcano, Indonesia. Lava is usually red or orange, but on Indonesia's Kawah Ijen volcano, it glows bright blue. This isn't actually blue magma, it's caused by sulfuric gases igniting when they come into contact with air, creating an eerie blue flame. It's both beautiful and dangerous, as the area is filled with toxic fumes. Number 11. Lake Nature in Tanzania. Lake Nature in Tanzania looks like something from a horror movie. Its extreme alkalinity can turn animals that fall into it into preserved, stone-like statues. Despite its harsh conditions, flamingos thrive here, making it one of the most mysterious lakes on Earth. Number 12. Lake Geyser, USA. Deep in the Nevada desert, a geyser is spewing hot water and minerals, creating an alien-like formation. The Fly Geyser was accidentally created in 1964. When a geothermal well was left unplugged, over time, minerals built up, forming a surreal, rainbow-colored mound. Number 13. The Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. Nature's own puzzle. The Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland is a collection of over 40,000 interlocking hexagonal basalt columns, formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago. This place is so unique that legends say it was built by giants. Number 14. The Wave, USA. This stunning sandstone formation in Arizona looks like a real-life painting. The wave was sculpted over millions of years by wind and rain, creating smooth, flowing curves. It's so fragile and unique that only a few lucky visitors are allowed to see it each day. Number 15. Chocolate Hills, Philippines. On the island of Bohol in the Philippines, over 1,200 cone-shaped hills rise from the landscape in the dry season. They turn brown, resembling giant chocolate mounds. Scientists believe they were formed by limestone erosion, but legends tell of giants' tears. Number 16. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Imagine walking on the sky. Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat in Bolivia, turns into a perfect mirror during the rainy season. It's so flat that satellites use it to calibrate measurements, and it's one of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth. Number 17. Red Beach, China. In China, there's a beach that isn't sandy, it's red. The red beach in Panjin is covered in a type of seaweed that turns bright red in autumn, creating a surreal, otherworldly view. It's a protected area and home to rare bird species, making it a nature lover's paradise. Number 18. Marble Caves, Chile. In Patagonia, Chile, there's a hidden natural wonder: marble caves carved by water over thousands of years. The swirling blue and white patterns reflect the turquoise lake water, creating a mesmerizing, dreamlike experience. Number 19. Underwater waterfall, Mauritius. Off the coast of Mauritius, the ocean appears to have a massive waterfall plunging into the depths. This incredible optical illusion is created by underwater sand movements, making it look like the sea is pouring into the abyss, a breathtaking sight from above. Number 20. Cano Cristales, Colombia. Known as the River of Five Colors, Cano Cristales in Colombia turns into a natural rainbow between July and November. Red, yellow, green, blue, and black hues appear due to unique aquatic plants. It's one of the most colorful rivers in the world. From fiery craters to lakes that turn animals to stone, Earth is full of astonishing places. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible adventures.